Alright you guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've got an overdue maintenance that we need to tackle on the C32. Honestly, I never did this maintenance ever since I got the car, and I should have, but now we need to get it done ASAP because we've got new wheels and tires on the car, and it's pretty much an alignment. I don't want to wear out the tires. I want to get the alignment dialed in. I'm pretty sure the rear needs a pretty good adjustment. I'm not too sure about the front. Also, we'll be doing an oil change on Monica's E55. Actually, her E55 is due for an oil change, so we'll be doing both of those today. This will be done at Delta Performance. This is a new shop that, you know, I'll be bringing my cars to. They're super close to me. They're pretty much a strictly performance shop. So, and they've already done a few things on Monica's E55. Turned out real great. The other shop that I used to go to, it was pretty far, about an hour away. But this shop, it's very close, about maybe 15 minutes, maybe 10, give or take, depending on traffic. Yeah, I'll show you guys the shop actually, and then I'll let you guys meet the owner. He's pretty dope. He's got some really, really fast cars. We might even check those cars out while we're at the shop getting the alignment done and the oil change. I'm not too sure if the oil change might be done later on. Get this thing dialed in for the road. It's definitely overdue maintenance that I need to tackle, and we'll probably be doing that on the my E55 as well. Stay tuned for future videos on the E55, because now that I'm working with this shop, they're going to be working on my E55 in terms of, you know, modifications and maintenance and, you know, other things that, you know, arise. But I'm glad I found this shop. All right, we're here at the shop. It looks pretty busy, but we'll see if we can get some content for you guys. This is Mahan, owner of Delta Performance.
We work on every Euro car. Actually, work on everything. Yeah. We tune everything. We do everything in-house. We got a rod bearing job, rear axle seals, engine, and then that one is just hit the rod bearings too.
Monica just pulled up. Actually, that works. She's trying to figure out parking. There's like a parking spot on next to me, but it's pretty tight compared to this spot over here. Yo! Oh, she can park behind the black if she wants? Okay. How's it going?
Hey, how you doing? You doing all right?
Yeah. What's going on?
Check engine light is back.
Check engine light is back. What did she do? We'll check it again. Once you're done with your oil change, car's looking real good. Yep. Got her wheels put on and did an alignment on it. Yeah. Dude, Oh yeah, let's see guys. This car is pretty low. We're solid. Solid.
Yeah, those are so nice. They're made in Mississippi too. That's the dumb thing. They're made in Mississippi, and the dude's like, yeah, they'll be crazy.
Beautiful M5 shipped from Spain. How many miles on it? You said 68 kilometers?
68,000 kilometers.
Dang, that is low miles. What year is it?
1988.
Dang, that's sweet.
So they're gonna end up modifying it completely. All new engine parts. They're gonna end up putting injectors in there.
Keep the same motor?
Same motor.
Okay, gotcha.
Bigger injectors. It's going to need a new radiator because the radiator is completely rusted out. Currently, Mahan is making a list for him. And
when did this come in? Just recently, I assume? Because I didn't see this earlier.
About 6-7 days ago.
Oh, okay. Yeah, makes sense. I want to check and see how bad the alignment on this thing is. I never got an alignment ever since I bought the car.
Go ahead, take a peek at
Alright, how bad is the alignment?
Huh?
How bad is the alignment?
The front is bad, the toe is bad.
Yeah, the show is bad. What about the rear?
Rear is good.
Your front is really bad. Okay. Yikes, guys. You guys heard that. Front is bad.
So you see that?
Yeah. Honestly, like, most of this I don't even understand half of it, but
Okay.
some of it I do, but
Your rear don't have any, but it's okay going the line very well. Okay.
yeah.
That's good.
Wow, man. Damn.
Okay.
The caster's out. Everything else is going to be right, but the caster's going to be up by 0.2 degrees, which isn't much. It's like that much.
So if I leave the caster just like that,
You may not have any issues because it's such a minuscule amount.
okay, will it wear
it shouldn't wear anything.
Okay.
So it's too much forward right now. It needs to go back a little bit. Let's say drive it first.
Yeah.
See if you notice it. If you don't notice it, keep on going.
Okay.
Nah, border cut off. Go forward, yeah, straight. Go. Slow.
Alignment is all done. I gotta drive the car. The front alignment was really bad. And I gotta tell you, in the past, I worked on the tire rod, inner and outer, and also changed out the springs and never got on alignment. That's why it was pretty bad. But the rear was still good. So we're good on that side. The only thing is, you guys saw, he was talking about the caster. These cars don't come with the camber kit, so it's just a tad bit off, but obviously I have to drive the car, make sure it drives pretty good, and if it does, then obviously no need for the kit to be installed. I think it should be pretty solid, honestly. Right now the steering wheel is straight, it feels great. I'm glad I got the alignment done, because I definitely want these tires to last. Long overdue maintenance. Steering feels pretty good, honestly. I gotta say, this feels really good. This thing is not even drifting at all. Yeah, maybe slightly, but the road is also slanted. I did it earlier. It was actually pretty solid. But yeah, this feels really good, guys. There's nothing else that's going on, and this is pretty much what I had going on for the 32 today. Man, the turns feel pretty solid. Also, it's pretty tight, which I guess that's a really good thing, because obviously alignment, you want to have a great alignment to, you know, be able to control the car. All right, you guys, I will go ahead and close out the video here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. All right, take care.